Hi, I am Ufuma Ogaga from Goshen Bookkeeping and Consulting. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay a bill using a credit card in QuickBooks Online. To pay an existing bill using a credit card, I will click on the Quick Create plus icon, then select Pay Bills. In this screen, I am going to choose my payment account as the MasterCard. I'm going to select my payment date as 1/30/2019, and I'm going to check the first bill, which is the PG&E bill. When you check that box right next to that bill, you will see that the full bill amount is shown in the payment column. Now, in the payment column, you can enter a partial amount if you don't want to pay the full bill amount. You can enter 30 as a partial amount. I'm just going to leave the bill as the full amount in this column. Once you're done with everything, you can click on Save and Close to record the credit card payment.